Hello, I'm Hans. I'm a business manager at No Deviation. And today I've got with me Barry from SCRI-IS, who's joining me on this call. So Barry, maybe would you like to introduce yourself and share a little bit more about what SCRI-IS is all about?
Yeah, sure. Thanks, Hans. And thank you very much for the invitation to today's discussion. So I'm Barry Jordan, the Director of Reliability and Asset Management at SCRI-IS Technologies, and we're based here in Ireland. A little bit about SCRI-IS. Well, first of all, SCRI-IS stands for Sustainability, Continuity, Reliability, Integrity, Intelligent Solutions. And we are an independent partner to biotech, pharma, and med device companies and manufacturers globally. As a company, we're led by industry professionals across the breadth of reliability, maintenance, and asset management, and we support sites in increasing their uptime through a range of turnkey packages across these areas, all aimed at enhancing the reliability of their GMP critical assets. So look, for us, participating in and sponsoring this event made total sense.
Okay. Yeah, thanks for sharing a bit more about the company. Very interesting where the name came from. And so at this event, the maintenance symposium, right? I understand that you'll be giving a talk as well on day one. And we'd love to hear from you a bit more about why maybe data-driven maintenance optimization through data analytics are important in the pharmaceutical industry. If you don't mind sharing a little bit more about that topic.
Yeah, sure. Look, I think we're all very much aware that the pharmaceutical industry is at a pivotal juncture with a huge focus on the transition into a more digital and automated era. And I think traditionally as well, the pharma sector in particular has been quite conservative in its adaptation to certain technologies, but that is changing. And at SCRI-IS, we're very much acutely aware of the need for advanced maintenance strategies that incorporate the likes of Industry 4.0, AI, digitalization. And we are supporting a number of our clients on this digital journey. But look, while it's crucial that we stay in sync with all of these trends and emerging opportunities, it's also imperative that we have a robust plan in order to navigate and realize our digital strategy. So at this talk, we're going to delve into one area of this broad topic, and we'll discuss how organizations are utilizing and focusing on the data goldmine that is their CMMS, or their computerized maintenance management system. And we'll explore how sites are shifting their focus to ensure that data analytics is actually embedded into this process and embedded across the entire work order workflow, and the benefits that this strategy brings to high performing teams, really to understand the data they've available to them. Also on day one, I just note as well that we're going to deliver a talk on a risk-based approach for pharmaceutical maintenance. And this talk will really focus on RCM, or reliability-centered maintenance, and explore how sites again are utilizing certain RCM methodologies, particularly understanding their asset criticality, to create tailored and bespoke PM programs based on risk to the business and risk to plant uptime.
Wow. Okay, that sounds very impressive, and I'm already looking forward to attending the talk. I'm very excited to see what kind of takeaways and what kind of up-to-date technologies I could implement and what I could do with that data, if I would work in maintenance. Also, I see here that you are also giving a training on day two. The title is called Advanced Maintenance Planning and Scheduling Strategies. What can people expect from that day two, from that training?
Yeah, that's correct. Actually, on day two, we're going to be delivering 2 training sessions. So the first, as you've mentioned, is focused really on maintenance planning and scheduling. So attendees can expect to gain an appreciation for application of best practice when it comes to maintenance planning and scheduling, and the different strategies that exist within the biopharma space. And look, at a high level, when planning and scheduling is executed right, and it's implemented and integrated into operations, the positive impact that this can have on the likes of right first time, labor utilization, and ultimately reduction in batch cadence and adherence to reg standards are quite significant. So look, we'll cover a range of topics on the day. We'll look at where maintenance planning and scheduling fits into your work order execution workflows. We'll also explore the importance of your CMMS master data. We'll explore best practices and industry benchmarking, and we'll also look into the use of data analytics in terms of how to apply that to maintenance planning, scheduling, and PM optimization. The second training session we're going to deliver at the same time on day 2 is going to be delivered by one of my colleagues, Gavin Jackson, who is a senior reliability engineer here at SCRI-IS. And this is going to focus on best practice elastomer asset management within the biotech sector. So at a high level again, elastomers are the weak link within the GMP process. And there seems to be, and what we've seen is there is a lack of industry understanding related to correct material selection, correct installation practices, and overall correct management procedures around your elastomers. So this training will also provide attendees with the concepts required for successful elastomer management within the biotech manufacturing environment.
Okay, that sounds very intriguing and very exciting. Yes. Let's see here. Who do you think, Barry, if I may ask, should attend this event, and who do you think this could be very valuable for?
Yeah, look, who should attend? We believe the training will be a benefit to a wide range of roles, right through from maintenance and reliability SMEs, engineers, maintenance planners and schedulers, and maintenance managers within the biopharma and pharmaceutical space. Both training sessions will equip, and we aim to allow participants to go away with practical tools and insights in terms of how to optimize their maintenance planning and scheduling, and also their elastomer change-out programs. And what we want to do is ultimately we want to allow participants to return to their sites, return to their teams with information on how to optimize their current work practices. And along with this, look, you're going to meet lots of like-minded people, hopefully lots of information sharing, and like-minded professionals. So please come along and join us on what should be a great event.
Thank you for wrapping that up, Barry. I'm looking forward to meeting you there, as well as the other like-minded minds, and to hear all about the latest maintenance approaches. Thank you very much for being here with me.
Thank you very much. Appreciate that, Hans. I look forward to seeing and meeting everybody there, and we'll see you on the 16th and 17th of May.